Right, welcome to episode 2 of Learning C#. Does it add up? Last week we looked at variables and the data types they could have. This week we're going to look at doing maths with them, doing sums, calculations. What can we do with our variables? Well, we can add, subtract, we can multiply them, we can divide, and we can do the modulus. The first four are quite obvious what they do, but what does the modulus do? Well, when we're dealing with whole numbers especially, when we do a division, it gives us the whole number part of the answer. If there's a remainder, we don't know it's there. However, if we use the modulus, it gives us the remainder but not the whole number. So let's go and see this within C# and how we code it. So in this example, I'm going to be using two variables, answer and a number, which will be integers. And I'm going to give a number a starting value of 15, and we're going to set answer to 10. And once I've finished typing the comment about what I want you to do, you're going to try and guess what the value of answer is for each of the examples I'm going to be typing in. So in this first example, I'm saying answer equals a number plus 7. So what does answer equal? Second one, I'm going to be taking 8 away from a number. What does answer equal? Third example, I'm going to be multiplying a number by 3. And this fourth example, I'm going to be dividing a number by, suspense is killing me, 2. So I'm now going to repeat the same thing again, but instead of using the division, I'm going to use the modulus. So what does answer equal now? Now we can find this out by setting a breakpoint within the code. And the breakpoint allows us to stop the program when it's running and examine what's going on. And as you'll see, there's a little debug area which, when we run it, I've put the breakpoint on answer equals 10, and you can see the value of answer equals 10 in the bottom. And as we step through, you'll find the value of answer changing depending on the calculation we're doing. And I'm stepping through using F10. And that executes one line of code at a time. As you can see at the end, answer equals 1. That's the remainder. Right. We can control the order of calculations, so which part of the sum gets done first, by using brackets and following BODMAS, which you'd have come across within your maths lessons. So do brackets first, then powers and indices, then division, then multiplication, addition, and finally subtraction. What I'd like you to do now is, in Visual Studio, enter the program I've just entered, those simple maths examples that we've done, and step through it using the debugger. Don't forget, you set a breakpoint using F9, and you step through the program using F10, one line at a time.